Fixing the largest Contentful paint element is crucial for improving website performance and user experience, particularly for core web vitals. Here's how to address LCP issues. Identify the LCP element. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights, Lighthouse, or Chrome DevTools Performance tab to determine the LCP element. Optimize images. Compress images using tools like TinyPNG or ImageOptim. Serve images in modern formats like WebP or AVIF. Use responsive images to serve appropriately sized images for different devices. Implement lazy loading for off-screen images, but exclude above-the-fold images. Improve server response time. Use a content delivery network to reduce latency. Optimize your backend to serve content faster. Cache assets and use HTTP/2 for quicker content delivery. Reduce SSS and JavaScript blockages. Minimize and defer unused JavaScript and CSS. Inline critical CSS to prioritize above-the-fold content. Font optimization. Use font display. Swap to avoid render blocking. Preload key fonts. Eliminate render blocking resources. Remove unnecessary plugins or scripts. Preload important resources like images or fonts.